Hello, Bill, it's from Elliott Wave, and today we're going to take a look at the Dow Jones. So, I don't think I have any news today. Once again, the cough is basically living with me as of lately, so you might hear me coughing. Good for you. I'm gonna spit into the mic and not into your face. So, I want to start with the weekly, not because I want to go over the. I just want to remind you if you may be new to the channel, and if you are, I don't know why you haven't subscribed already. Probably you haven't seen my face, otherwise you'd see how handsome I am. So I just wanted to show you some long-term counts that are possible, and then we're gonna go straight into the intraday. Okay, so as you can see, I'm basically, my best guess is we are within this wave 5 of cycle wave 5 of super cycle wave 3. Okay, and I have 3 different counts, I believe, and it's obviously what we care about is this wave 5, so it's a subdivision of this wave 5. And this one here, why? Come on. Okay, awesome. You can see, shoot. So here, this is a 1 2 1 2 1 2 within this wave 5. Okay, so you guys know me. I'm a big fan of 1 2s 1 2s. This is the most bullish count I could come up with. Okay, and if this count is correct, we could easily go extremely high. Okay. Then there's this count where I'm basically saying we've had, as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5. We now topped in primary wave 1 of this wave 5. Okay, and we are now gonna be pulling back. Okay. If this is the case, we could pull back all the way down to the area of this 4. Okay, so you know what? I'm just gonna do this. Okay, we're gonna be focused on this wave 5. So if I'm correct, we could just easily be doing this. Okay, that is a possibility. Perfect. And the last one I wanted to show you, okay, nope, sorry. Why? Because it's empty. Awesome. So the last one, obviously, because it's basically saying we have a wave 5 here down, and it would be the same count as this one, just sorry, I told you it was gonna come. Just everything moved 1 degree higher, so these would be primary, and everything is just 1 degree higher. Okay, perfect, awesome. So that being said, here's what we're gonna do. Daily, okay, we need to fix a few things. Perfect. We will see the short-term implications for both counts. So here's the 1 2 1 2. Okay. So this is extremely bullish scenario. What can I say? I don't know. Let's just go into it. So far, basically, the main thing about this count, okay, is I don't have a marker. I say it every time. So the main thing is, given that all of these wave 2s, okay, obviously they're nested. So this is 1 degree less than this, and this is 1 degree lesser than this. Perfect. So far, so good. Now, what I want to see, if they are 1 less degree, then the magnitude I expect it to be smaller, every time smaller, okay? And so far, this ratio is respected, okay? If you think about it. Why can't I? Okay, big fail. This is the largest, this is the second largest, and this is the smallest, okay? So far it's respected. So if I'm expecting this wave 2 here, I want a low to be in place, okay? And I think I said this last week as well. So straight into the 1 hour. So as I said, if I want this count to be, if I want this count to to prove me right, okay, then I need wave 2 to be in place. Hence, I need 5 ways up here. And in a way, you could say we've had 5 ways up, okay? You could argue these are 5 ways up. Now, the problem is, we are pulling back strong. Oh, by the way, let me look at the futures market. Let's see. Where do we stand? So it's up 0.8%, okay? So it's at 38.4. So it's around here right now, okay? So basically, the problem with this, as I always say, okay, this looks like one move. So it could just be wave A of 2, but if this is wave A of 2, when what are we ever going to get? Something like this? Then we don't really have much downside room here for this wave 2, okay? Hope you get what I'm saying. I need to blow my nose. God. What is wrong with me? Okay, so yes, we can count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are we forcing 5 ways up? We'll come back to that. Okay, no worries. We'll see also the bearish scenario. But if we want to be bullish, we need to be aware that this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave A, up in B, down in C. Okay, and things are, if we do this, then we move lower. Things are going to get tricky because we don't really have much room to go down. Okay, so it's possible. Okay, as usual, it messes up. It is possible, but we need to be aware that, perfect, sorry people, it's, it's just possible, but I don't know if it's going to happen. Obviously, I don't know the future. As usual, if I knew, I wouldn't be here. So, that being said, let's look at the alternate. So, I didn't even label it. Awesome. That's going to be a great exercise. So this would be, it would have to be wave A, B, and C. And obviously the question would be, that's a good one. So allow me to go back to the okay, so here, just like previous count, I would count like this. Okay, give me a second. Okay, so now it should just automatically, there you go. 1, 2, I did have it 3, 4. Think so. Okay, A, B, C. Now, as I said, this would have to be minor. Just give me a second. Okay, I covered everything I wanted to cover on 3, 4, 5. Okay, so why? Okay, we can now go back to the hourly. Perfect. Okay, so why did I label this as wave A? Well, look at it. Unless you need new glasses, I see 3. Okay. Now the only way you can count 5 is, and by the way, do we have? Okay, no, we this doesn't overlap. I mean, doesn't over retrace. So if so you could count it like this. Give me a second. So allow me. So you can count it like this, basically A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then same as the other count, you can say this. So you're gonna have a flat in wave A. Sorry, I forgot. Okay, primary. So 3 down in A. Now we could be doing this. Okay, and then for the downside, to then complete where is wave 2, to then do this. Okay, three down, 3 up, 5 down. Okay, that's oopsie, that is one possibility. Possibility number 2, I should probably make okay, possibility number 2 I need to name it before it's too late. Oops, nope. Go back. What do we call it, people? Oh, let's call it 3 down in A. Awesome. Okay, then we make a new one. Perfect. And we say it's 1, 2, and we now need to check. Okay, so first thing first. Sorry, this would be minor. Okay, so 1, let's see if it automatically does it. Yes, awesome. ABC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 1, 2. Minute. So 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. Let's see. Always got to do it on your own, Barrett. That's life, I guess. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Do you guys trust me on the subways, or do I need to show you? Obviously, I cannot hear your answer, so I'm gonna have to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Same here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I showed you just ABC. Nope. Why doesn't it? Oh God. Always gotta do it on your own, Barrett. Yeah. Okay. So at this point, we've had a kind of a sideways wave 2. We can draw the channel. Kind of a sideways wave 2. We could look at this. How weird, isn't it? So at this point, actually, this kind of fits better. I mean, the best, if actually. What do you guys think? Jesus, why? Oh, I hate this. So this platform is fantastic. If there's one thing I hate, is this thing right here, that I need to just be so precise with the positioning of the labels. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it actually fits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. I don't know. I don't want to investigate furthermore. But to be fair, as I said in the beginning, I did say this looks like a 5-wave move, because this looks just one wave. Okay, one move. So it could be A, it could be 1. Okay. Why can't it be 3? Well, it's just the beginning of something, so how could it be wave 3? Or it could be wave C, because if you look at this, it could be up, down, up. Okay, but it looks like one move. Okay, not a wave, one move. So it is possible, actually. This is possible. It makes sense. Many things work out. You have a sideways wave 2, and then a sharp wave 4, so you have alternation. As a matter of fact, if we look at the ratio of 3v1, 3 times, okay, that's nothing crazy. I mean, nothing too remarkable. But I'm pretty sure that 4v2 could be pretty close to equality. 1.78, so that sounds very interesting. So yeah, it would fit. It would fit. And so for the downside, and then perhaps it would be the time for bottom in A, down in B, up in C. So this is actually pretty bearish. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. So I'll probably, I think tomorrow and the day after it's gonna be the S&P and the Nasdaq. So we'll use this kind of logic. We'll revise those counts, because at this point, if this is going to happen, then it's gonna be fun to watch. Fun. Okay. So I guess I wasted too much of your time already. Thank you for watching, people. Any questions, guys, let me know. If you enjoy the content, it really helps if you guys subscribe and leave a like. Costs you nothing. And yep, have a great today was Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025. Have a great Tuesday, and we'll see you tomorrow.